Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Instagram username. So let's get right into it. So once you're in your Instagram account, head over to your profile. Then go to hamburger menu. As you want to find your Instagram username, you must go to the account center and tap on your profile. Again, tap on that. And here you can see 4 options: name, username, profile picture, and avatar. As you want to know what's your username currently, so tap on username. And you can see the username that is currently used in your Instagram account. So yeah, that was easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.